Greetings everyone, this is Danny from hardtravel.com, your AMA Waterways specialist, and today I'm on board the beautiful AMA Stella. This particular category is a suite. It's the top category here on the ship. I'm going to take you through the space and review the amenities here in just a second, but keep in mind when you're ready to book this beautiful suite or any room or suite with AMA Waterways, make sure you reach out to Hard Travel. We are your AMA specialists. We know the spaces inside and out. We have an amazing relationship with the cruise line, and we know that we can help craft the cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the Hard Travel signature service every step of the way. Now we're here in one of the suites on board. There's 4 of them, and they're a fantastic choice for quite a few of our guests. At 350 square feet, you have more amenities in the room itself and quite a bit more space. Now the AMA Waterways experience is highly inclusive. You're gonna have award-winning food here on board, breakfast, lunch, and dinner each and every single day served down in the beautiful restaurant. In addition to that, you're gonna have complimentary excursions to choose from. I love that they have a combination of those classic options along with some fantastic active options as well. If you wanna go for a bike ride, go for a hike, and really dig into the destination that you're visiting, AMA is the perfect option. Now you're also gonna have several choices each and every single day. This is one of those AMA signatures, and fantastic amenities here on board like the complimentary chef's table dining experience. You're gonna have the workout room, the whole fitness concept on AMA Waterways where you'll have a fitness host, and so much more. Now let's tour this beautiful space. When you walk in the door, you enter into the living room. Tucked on the side here, you're gonna find your writing desk. Now you'll have a MacBook Pro that you'll be able to utilize while you're here on board. You've got your phone and a European plug. Now I always bring extra European adapters and converters so I can take advantage of all the plugs in the space, and I'll oftentimes need them for the hotel stays pre and post as well. Now tucked just around the corner, you're gonna find some complimentary water here. You're also gonna find the charging station for your Quiet Vox receivers. Now what's great about these, it's really unique to AMA, is you're gonna take this and you'll push this onto the sign. You'll actually just tap the sign when the tour guide is there. That's gonna connect you with them. You're gonna have your headset that you can utilize throughout your time here on board. And so every single time you do one of the complimentary tours, you'll utilize that and then just pop it back in the charging station when you return back to your suite. Now you've got a nice large sofa here. Keep in mind this is one of the room categories that can have more than 2 passengers. Not that many do on river cruises, so that's unique here. And then you also have a ton of storage. So you've got hanging storage on the side here. Got a closet just inside. You're also gonna find your safe. It's a nice size safe here. And then you've got storage all the way up and down with the shelves. On the other side here, you're gonna find that you have a bit more storage. You've got some comfy blankets and of course those extra comfy waffle bathrobes. You'll be able to utilize those whether you're heading down and getting a spa treatment or just to utilize in your room as well. A bit more storage up above, so you've got shelves all the way along, and then you have a nice coffee table. This is that perfect place for a nice cup of coffee or tea, maybe a glass of wine, and then you also have 2 chairs, so if you're hosting additional passengers, you actually have a nice little seating area in here. Now you do have a flat panel television, and you have this partition, so it does give a bit of separation of space. We'll wrap this around here. You can see that you can also utilize it from the bed or from the living room area. Now one of the big differences in this particular suite compared to the other rooms on board is you have quite a bit larger bathroom. So you see another one of those extra comfy bathrobes here. Now as we head into the bathroom, I did want to point out you've got a water closet right here. I really like that you can shut the door and have that nice level of privacy. And you'll see that you have a really nice large double vanity. Got some fantastic upgraded bath amenities. You'll have a Euro plug over there on either side. And then you also have a magnifying mirror in addition to the large backlit mirror. Right around the corner here is the shower. Now I wanted to show you this. I'm a really big guy, I'm 6'6". I actually do fit in the shower here, which is nice. You've got the adjustable shower wands, more of those upgraded bath amenities, a nook for more, and then a rainfall shower head up above. Finally, one of the signatures of the suite is of course this large soaking tub. I'm a big guy and I can actually fit in there. You can imagine going out and exploring the incredible spaces here in Europe, whether you're in Vienna or Amsterdam, out on an excursion, you come back and have a nice bubble bath here before you head on out and enjoy the evening on board. Now as we head around the corner, we're gonna find the bedroom. You can see I've got a nice, large, extra comfy bed here. They've got the duvets, European pillows with down if you'd prefer. And then you also are gonna have nightstands on either side. Now keep in mind, if you're two friends traveling together, the twins can separate apart. So in that case, they'll move the nightstand to the middle to have a little bit of separation of space. You're gonna have reading lights up above, and on this side of the bed, you have a US and Euro combo plug, which is a really nice fit. You're also gonna have a USB charger on the side as well for charging devices overnight. Every room will be equipped with an alarm clock, and then you've got drawers for storage, and also you've got room underneath the bed where you can tuck your bags away completely. Now, speaking of storage, you've got your closet right here. So you have a ton of hanging storage all the way across, storage down below as well. And then you're gonna find your golf umbrella, one on either side. You'll be able to utilize that for your time here on board. So I step over to the side here. We'll open up the other side of the closet. You're gonna find that you have a ton more storage over here. So shelving units all the way up and down. Now this is the true twin balcony configuration. So as I mentioned, you do have a French balcony here. I love with the bed facing directly out there. But of course, if you want to step out on your private balcony, you've got the best of both worlds. Let's head out and see what that's all about. So now we're out on your private balcony. You've got 2 chairs and a table right here. It's another perfect place for a cup of coffee or tea in the morning, maybe a cocktail or glass of wine in the evening. And what makes European river cruising so exceptional is you're part of the entire experience while you're cruising. You'll of course be able to see the banks on either side, life going on, going past beautiful cities and churches, iconic spots. Whatever it is that you're looking for here on the river, this is that perfect spot to view it. Now, when you're ready to book your next AMA Waterways experience, make sure you reach out to Hart Travel. We are the AMA experts. We know the spaces inside and out. We've cruised extensively with AMA ourselves, and we know that we can help craft the cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the Hart Travel signature service every step of the way.